always admired them when I was a child. We'd go and there'd be all these ladies in matching outfits and I'd be like, I want to dress like that. Hello folks, Grace here, and thank you for joining me today. The project that we are working on today is a little bit different. It's not crochet, I know, scandal. What we are working on today is a set of handfasting cords. My partner and I are getting married in July, so we decided we want to do a handfasting. And I have looked into different ways to make the cords, and the way I've landed on that I like most and that my partner likes most is ribbon weaving. I watched a couple different tutorials on ribbon weaving and found one that I really liked, which was very easy to learn by a YouTuber whose name I have, Aniko Dubayes. And so they have a tutorial up on YouTube about how to do this particular weave. I did a test run here with 4 different colors because that's the way we wanted to do it, as colorful as possible, and kind of just figured out how this whole situation works. I chose ribbons that I didn't really want to use for decor for the wedding, so that's why they're these very pale colors, which aren't entirely my bag. I'm pretty pleased with how it came out, and so each of us chose 2 colors to include in the handfasting cord, and now I'm gonna get to work on making it. I like it. It reminds me of those ladies that wear purple and red and go out and do things. I always admired them when I was a child. There's a place nearby that does free plays in the summer, and we would go and there'd be all these ladies in matching outfits and I'd be like, I want to dress like that. And my mom would be like, it's supposed to be because purple and red look awful together. And I'm like, they look great together. I want to say it's called like the Red Hat Society or something like that. And it's based off of like a Victorian era poem of like, when I'm older and people can't tell me what to do, I'm going to do what the heck I want and wear purple and red together. And nobody's going to be able to say anything. I've always liked purple and red together. And it works well here because red is one of my partner's favorite colors and purple is my favorite color. So it's come out beautifully. I only have a yardstick. Well, we need it to be slightly over 2 yards. So right now we're at about 1.5 feet. So let's keep going. Okay, how did you even get over here? Oh, now you want to go through the spot. The little spindly thing. Neither of those were words, but you know what? We're just gonna go with it. Okay, it's gonna work itself out. How are we looking here? I think we might be at about 1 full yard. Probably not. I'm probably way off, but no, look at that. We have 1 full yard and 1 yard and a bit to go. Yay! I'm really happy with how this is coming out. Okay, I think I'm going to measure this again because I think we might just have it. I think we might have the thing. Where's my ridiculous yardstick? It's not the only one I have, but it's the only one I have handy. Okay, look at that. That's 2 yards. And then look at that. It's exactly what I wanted it to be. Yay! Now I just need to figure out how to close this off. I'm gonna just pin it for right now and then trim it. We're gonna leave a little bit extra, and then look at that. We still have so much ribbon to work with. Okay, so what do I do with the ends? I think I should probably sew up the points where I have the safety pins. I could just knot them, but that's, let's see if I put this in a knot, because if you've watched some of my other work, you'll know that I'm not good at sewing. See Henry the dinosaur purse. Okay, that doesn't seem to mess things up too badly. And then take this out, pull this through here, do another knot. That works. And then I had talked before about potentially taking the cross stitching out to try and make a fringe. Let's see how feasible that is with this ribbon. Oh, we did it. We did it, you guys. We made the most basic fringe, the end of a very complicated cord. It's not very complicated, but I love them. They're perfect, except for the fringe. Okay, and there we go. So now at my wedding, this will be tied around my hands and then knotted together, and then John and I will be forever joined in holy matrimony. I'm really excited about this one, and thank you guys for coming along for the ride. I know it's not my normal fare. If you had a good time, remember to like, share, subscribe. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. We post most Fridays, but if you want to make sure not to miss anything, remember to ring the notification bell. You've been great. I've been Grace. Remember to be excellent to each other. Have a good day.